Hey guys, it's Jerry Metal Man Battaglia. I'm out here in Long Island, New York, and I got an awesome boat behind me we're going to talk about. Last year, I was on this boat and I was invited back to come on and just wanted to share with you. It's a 2021 Formula SSC 430. It's got 1,800 horsepower on the back with those Mercs. And I just wanted to talk to you about this awesome boat. And you know, we're going to go on it today, me and my nephew with a few other people. And it's going to be awesome. So I just wanted to share with you this awesome boat. Guys, like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Love the support, almost at 2,000 subscribers. And leave any comments down below. Let me just take you on a tour of this awesome boat. So in the back of the boat here, we got the 450Rs. We're producing about 1,800 horsepower here with those stainless props. Beautiful boat, 430 SSC. Super Sport crossover. I love sitting up front here, getting the wind. Really, really nice boat, guys. A few other people that we know have some formulas, but this one right here takes the cake. 450R motors. Take a look at it from the back. We love our country, so we support the flag as well. So right under here is actually a refrigerator or freezer. Okay. There's controls. It's also drive-by-wire. There's a joystick up here too. Nice big LED Mercury Marine control panels. Okay. Great seating up here. Great sound system as well. You have gel audio. I mean, you can fit a bunch of people. It's like a party on this boat. It's awesome. Separate sound. I love this convertible top. This opens up. Get some fresh air in here. The boat does have AC as well, which is awesome. Trying to get down into the cabin, but it's locked. It's just awesome. We got a little sink here, which is awesome. Storage compartments here, but the refrigerator is under here. Some storage. That's actually a refrigerator. Got some ring dings and soda and some snacks. Just a beautiful, beautiful boat that we actually enjoy going on. You know, I believe it sleeps 6. This actually goes down. It's electronic. The table actually drops down, and I actually have a bigger deck here. And that's basically about it, guys. So I'm going to take some videos of us on the boat today. We're going to coming out of Huntington Harbor. It's beautiful here, and here it is, your 2021 Formula 430 SSC. It's just great boat. So guys, again, please subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna be doing some more marine stuff. You know, I always do the classic cars, but I'm into boats as well. Get some airplanes on here as well. Any type of transportation. I'm gonna be filming everything. Got some good stuff coming up this summer. Again, Jerry Metal Man Battaglia. I love the support. Please subscribe to the channel. Leave any comments down below. Have a great day. Thank you so much.